Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today is 1st of April. Yes, this is the April Fool's Day. So on this April Fool's Day, I'm gonna make a surprise drawing for all of you. So let's get started. It's a surprise. Look at the final outcome then. Yes. Smile and the big tongue coming out. So this is a clown showing you tongue, making you fool. Okay, now draw the spring. The clown. Make a clip. And now draw the message he is giving. Now I am making a drawing a box out of which this clown is coming out. Okay. Now we'll draw some ribbons that are coming out of the box. Okay, so our April Fool's Day drawing is complete. Now write down here. We'll start coloring it. Color the nose with red color. Now we'll use pencil colors to color it. Start coloring the cap. Color it with dark pink color pencil. Now we'll do the dark green color. Now we'll do the purple color. Now we'll do red color in tongue. Skin color in face. Now we'll do purple color in box. Now we'll do the yellow color inside the box. Now we'll do yellow color here and here. Now do the red color in star. And we'll do green color in the knot. Now we'll do orange color in ribbons and purple color in these small cuttings and blue color in spring. So friends, our April Fool surprise note is ready. Give this surprise note to your friends and family and crack out a laughter among them. So if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.